Hey guys, it's Eva from Noshki's Nails. I went to TJ Maxx the other day and I found some really awesome polishes from OPI. They have a bunch of colors over there and I grabbed a total of 7. So I wanted to go ahead and show you what I got. And they're all $3.99. I found them in like 2 locations so far, so I'm not sure if it's just in the Chicagoland area, but if you happen to be at TJ Maxx, you might want to swing by the beauty section because they got some really nice colors, like a lot of colors for spring, and I did get some glitters. So the first one is this. This one is called Static Prismatic, right here. I will go ahead and swatch them for you guys. The second one is a gold glitter. This one is called This Changes Everything, right here. And then the third one is called I'll Have a Gin and Tonic. Really beautiful color. And then this is from their leather collection. It says it feels like leather, but you know, if you put a top coat on this, the texture is gonna change. I can't wear nail polish without any top coat, so I'm not sure if I'll keep this, but it's a really pretty color. This one is called Electrifying Pink, right here. And then this one is called, let's see, Electrofantastic Pink. This is very pretty too. This is what I have on my nails right now. It's like second day I've had this on. And then I grabbed another pink one. This is called Positively Hot. Real pretty. And then the last one is more of a salmon or orange color. Hot and Spicy right here. This is like awesome to wear for the summer time. So I'm going to go ahead and start swatching them for you guys. And let me know if you have any questions below. Or let me know if you end up going to a TJ Maxx and which ones you end up picking out. There's a lot more. They're mainly in that family. I did find some brown ones or like a dark blue, but I already have something similar to that. I didn't want to grab that, so I just want to kind of stick to these so I can go ahead and use it for like spring and summer.